Hey, so what would you consider the hardest IB subject, and how would you prepare well for it?
So for harder subject, I would only consider the pure hardness of it, the pure nature of it, but also the quantity that you have to do with the subject. So physics SL would be my answer to it. It has a lot of material and a lot of time that HL. But and how I would prepare for it? Well, I would definitely practice some critical thinking. There are a lot of questions that are related to your logic. So yeah, that would be about it.
Hi, could you please tell me what do you think is the hardest subject in IB and how to prepare for it?
For me, the hardest IB subject is Polish because I cannot really write. For me, it's really hard to get a good grade from a paper or pretty much anything Polish related during the lesson. So for me, Polish is the hardest subject, and I think you should just write a lot of papers. You should write a lot of stuff, and that has already helped me a lot with my writing and papers especially. So I think that practicing writing is very important when it comes to Polish on IB.
Hi, so what do you think is the hardest subject in IB, and how would you prepare well for it?
Okay, so we think that the hardest subject is global politics.
It's very hard because you have to think a lot about answering the questions. You can just go with your gut and your knowledge, but you have to use proper words and everything is hard. And we prepare for it. We write a lot to memorize how to do it and have a muscle memory kind of.
And you?
And for me, it's mathematics, AI, standard level, because there's a lot of hard calculations, and to prepare you should buy good calculator, and learn how to use it properly.
Okay, so now we will be talking about what our subjects are, since we need more people. So in my opinion, math is quite easy. However, Polish is extremely difficult in IB. So since you need to have a lot of language skills and do a lot of past papers, so you can't really learn Polish for the IB exam.
In my opinion, there is no hardest IB subject, as it all depends on your interests and passions. For instance, in my case, history is relatively simple because I'm interested in history, but a lot of people might say that it is one of the hardest subjects.
So I think that math, HL is the hardest IB subject because it has a very big workload and you have to do a lot of exercises to get a good grade.